My name is Kavish. I lead the partnerships team for Payoneer in South Asia, working with a lot of game developers, studios in the region, and have a lot of exposure helping companies, small and medium sized businesses, individuals in getting payments from clients across the globe. So that's me, part of the Payoneer team in South Asia. So we cover the market right from Middle East, North Africa, Bangladesh, India, and all the region across the globe. So today I am going to talk about how Payoneer can help you grow your global business first, and two, Payoneer can basically support you with solutions that will help you better manage your payments from different sources. Let's take an example. You are a game developer. You have apps on Google, Apple, direct clients, or a studio making for some other publisher, or getting payments from Steam, etc., etc. So there are many sources of international income or international payments for game developers today. So Payoneer provides a one-stop payment solution that you can use to handle and manage these payments. So let's first of all look at how the industry has grown in last 10 years. So let's start from 2012. Let's go 9 years back in time. The overall gaming industry was $70.6 billion, right? And if you look at it in last 10 years, it has almost doubled, more than doubled, to almost $180 billion this year. What does it imply? One, the industry is growing at an unprecedented rate. The rate of growth is as good as e-commerce, cross-border commerce, or anything else, which is the most happening thing right now. Second, mobile alone has grown more than 5x. So the mobile industry has almost grown by 5 times over last 10 years. And if you compare mobile versus PC or console, the growth is almost 200x. So if you look at it, in last 10 years only, gaming has become a huge industry, and the bigger you become, the more important it is to solve for pain points like payments. So that is what the overall industry looks like. Let's understand what are the challenges which are faced by developers, studios, and publishers. A lot of game developers use local payment method or traditional banks. Let's talk about how Payoneer solves for very specific pain points for the gaming industry. Uh, what we have learned from all our customers, by the way, Payoneer works with more than 4 million customers globally, and it's a publicly traded company in the US. So, what we have learned from developers, this is basically voice of customer. What we have learned is four challenges. One, developers face a lot of issues in running multiple Apple, Google, Facebook ad accounts, and every ad account requires a unique credit card, right? That's one. Two, to manage payments from different sources like Apple, Google, direct partners in different countries, US, UK, Europe, Australia, you need one platform to manage your payments. Three, a lot of time in traditional channel, there is no visibility on the number of days that the payment will take to hit your local bank account. It can be 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. So a lot of payment delays are something that we have learned from our customers that they face. Fourth, and I think one of the most pressing issues that game developers face is high currency conversion charges. Uh, it could be anywhere from 2%, 1.5, 2.53. Again, lack of consistency in the currency conversion rate. Now, how Payoneer solves for all these issues? Payoneer first gives you multiple bank accounts in 9 currencies. They can be used in multiple platforms. Second, Payoneer gives you a virtual card for Apple, Google, Facebook online ad spends. Third, you get a single dashboard to manage payments from all the sources. Fourth, something very special in a brand new product that we have launched is a universal wire US dollar account, which you can use to for direct B2B partner payments. So if you have I'll take some examples of how it will actually work. And then the cherry on the cake is our customer success team that basically helps you uh, manage your account, manage payments. The bigger you become, the more support you need in managing payments. And we have a very solid customer success team. Okay. So why Payoneer? I told you about the features, the problems that we solve. Five things that make us unique in terms of a payment solution. First is our global reach. We are present across the globe. We are in 200 plus countries. We allow you to receive payments from 1,000 plus marketplaces or clients in 200 plus countries in local currencies. A great customer support team. You save a lot of money on currency conversion, intermediary bank fee or landing fee. Fourth one is the ability to use the Payoneer balance to make a payment to a supplier or employees or partners or developers or freelancers anywhere in the world. Fifth, and the most unique ones, is the virtual bank accounts in 9 currencies. With Payoneer, you get virtual bank accounts in USD, GBP, Euro, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, etc., etc. So these all features make it a essential tool that every game developer should be using if they get paid in dollars, euros, pounds, or any global currency. So, talking more about our overall global reach. So, we are across the globe. We have 24 offices, uh, 2,000 plus employees. We are a publicly listed company. We just went through an IPO in the US. We have a very strong core payments platform. We also have a working capital advance platform. Apart from this, we have a very strong partner network. So we help you with payments. Our partners help you with everything: marketing, taxation, logistics, anything and everything. We help you with a bunch of things which is beyond payments, which is done by our trusted partner network of 1,000 plus partners. So a few seconds back, I spoke about supporting 3,000 plus marketplaces. So if we look at it across these segment, all these companies that you see on your screen right now make payments through Payoneer. Amazon makes payouts to sellers across the globe using Payoneer. Walmart exclusively makes payout using Payoneer. Airbnb, every one of you must know about Airbnb. Airbnb makes payments to host using Payoneer. Specifically in the gaming industry, G2A, Penguin, Apple, Google Pay, Steam, all have the ability and option to make payouts using Payoneer. You are a Apple app publisher, your app is doing great, and Apple pays you what, $100,000 every month. You can use Payoneer on your Apple account to receive these payouts. And across different segments like freelancing, stock photography, music, Payoneer is partnered with all the top companies in the world to enable payouts in a very easy, convenient, and swift way. So what I have done is we went back to the drawing board for this specific session. We wanted to basically talk about what specifically can Payoneer do for game developers. We know you have games. You are the best and the brightest minds are in the gaming industry, making things that people stick on for hours. Like I am a big fan of multiple games, mobile games. My family is a big fan of many games on Android, on iOS. Uh, by this payment solution, by Payoneer, what kind of flows that we can support and how Payoneer can fit in your business process very easily. We understand that you may be using uh, any other payment solution or a local bank, but how can Payoneer fit into your business process and add a lot of value? So if you look at the sources, a lot of you must be getting payments from PayPal, Stripe, ToCheckout, Klarna, or from Google Play, Apple App Store, Steam, or you must be getting payments from direct partners in any country: US, UK, Europe, etc. So you can sign up for a Payoneer account. You can create a Payoneer account and get payments from all these sources in a single Payoneer account. Absolutely zero fee. You will not charge any incoming fee for all the payments that you get in your Payoneer account. Now you have money in your Payoneer account. You can see your Payoneer balance in dollars, euros, pounds, etc., etc. So with Payoneer, you get virtual accounts in 9 currencies. You can hold the funds for as long as you want. You can transfer funds worldwide with Payoneer. Let's take for example, you are a game developer from Ukraine, or you are a game developer from Dubai, and you want to make a payment to your developer in Bangladesh or in India. You could directly make the payment using Payoneer to his local bank account in just one click. It takes 24 hours for the payment to reach your developer or your partner's bank account from your Payoneer account. So that is as simple as such. And my most favorite feature is the Payoneer virtual card, which we'll cover in the future slides. Now, once you have funds in your Payoneer account, either you can withdraw it to a local bank, it can be any local bank in the world. Either you could transfer to any other Payoneer account. By the way, Payoneer to Payoneer is free transfer. You could transfer to any contractor, suppliers, developers, freelancers, contractual workers in their local bank account. Or you could use the Payoneer balance to spend online using the Payoneer card, which I'll cover in depth of how this Payoneer card is a blessing for game developers, studios, and publishers. This was the first flow. In the second flow, in the second business case, what we have learned is a lot of you have companies in US, UK, Estonia, Europe, and different part of the world away from your home country. You could be based out of Dubai, you could be based out of Ukraine, you could be based out of Bahrain, you could be based out of Turkey, you could be based out of anywhere in the world, but you have a company in the US or in the UK or in the EU. Still, Payoneer is a far better payment solution versus having a local US bank account. You can still get funds, you can still create a Payoneer account for your US, UK, Europe, Estonia company, get payments from PayPal, Stripe, Google, Apple, and all this in your Payoneer account. And from this Payoneer balance, you can still transfer to your local entity, wherever is your local country. Say, for example, you are based out of UAE or Ukraine or Turkey, or you could transfer to any other supplier, you could transfer to any bank, or you could use a Payoneer card. So, still having a Payoneer account that integrates with all your sources is pretty simple and still adds a lot of value in terms of lower currency conversion rate. One, two, ease of use. Three, one single dashboard for all your gaming payment needs. So let's take a deep dive into different Payoneer features. Uh, Specifically, we are going to cover best in currency conversion rate, an ecosystem of 4 million plus users globally, receiving bank accounts, a MasterCard, paying to suppliers in 200 plus countries, a Payoneer Wire account. That's a solid product for somebody who is getting payments in US dollars from anywhere in the world, and integrations with invoicing softwares and ERPs and time tracking platforms. So let's look at the uh, virtual account numbers that we have, right? So this is a dashboard, a screenshot of the Payoneer account. You get multiple virtual accounts in each currency. You can get any number of US dollar accounts. You could get any number of euro accounts. You could get any number of GBP pound accounts. So you can use these virtual accounts anywhere you want to. Let's take an example. You are a small gaming studio from the Middle East region, and you have 5 different Apple accounts, and you want to get payments from all of them. Payoneer can issue you 5 different US dollar accounts or euro accounts or pound account. You can use independently each one of them in all of your accounts and get payments in your Payoneer account. So you have the ability to apply for any number of accounts. We work with A-grade banking partners across the globe. In the US, you get a bank account with First Century Bank, Bank of America, or Citi. In euros, you get an account with Citibank. In GBP, you get an account with Barclays, and so on, right? So Payoneer's virtual accounts are easy to use, simple, and very straightforward. Payoneer Wire account number. This is a universal single account number that we issue to each Payoneer, that we can issue to each Payoneer account, that allows you to accept payments from clients anywhere in the world in US dollars. Let's take an example. You are a studio from the Middle East. You get a payment of $30,000 every month from UK. So you can share the Payoneer Wire account number with your client, and they can directly make a transfer in this Payoneer Wire account number, which looks exactly like a real bank account number, and the funds will automatically be transferred to your Payoneer account. So it's a brand new product that we have launched only this year and is very popular with IT companies, game developers who get paid from clients directly. Third one is something which I just covered. If you want to make a payment to anywhere in the world, you could use the Payoneer account to pay to a supplier in their local bank or to a Payoneer account and or to any other local bank account in the world. There is no limitation. You could sign up for Payoneer from UAE or Ukraine, and from the Payoneer balance, you could transfer to a local Indian bank account or a local Bangladesh bank account or a local US bank account anywhere in the world. And Payoneer to Payoneer is free, and Payoneer to Payoneer transfers only take a couple of minutes. Okay. Now comes the most important part of the session, which is the Payoneer cards, which are available in virtual and physical forms. So these are the cards that suit all your business needs. You want to pay for Facebook ads, you want to pay for Google ads, you want to pay for Apple search ads, you want to pay for online web services, you want to pay for your servers, you want to pay for AWS, everything and anything. All the online payments can be done using the Payoneer latest virtual card. We call it the Payoneer commercial debit MasterCard. Right? These are basically virtual cards and can be issued multiple cards to each Payoneer account. For example, if you have a Payoneer account, you could issue 5, 6, 7 different virtual cards, and these cards have limits up to $200,000 a day. You could spend up to $200,000 provided you have that kind of balance in your Payoneer account, goes without saying, and you can use it to run ads at scale, acquire your users, and don't think about having a card which is supported by all the advertising and online platforms. So Payoneer card is something which is super popular. A lot of you hearing me right now must already be knowing about the physical card, but the virtual card takes the game to the next level. So you have the freedom to spend anywhere. You can get your card details instantly. You get increased spending limits. It is a tool which compulsorily you should have to grow your gaming business. So you can also use these cards to make purchases anywhere MasterCard is accepted. You get access to multiple cards, and overall, the cards part of Payoneer streamlines the overall online spend. Earlier, everybody knew about the Payoneer physical card, but the virtual card is something that we have recently launched and is a very hot and a favorite product for dropshippers, e-commerce sellers, developers, and a bunch of other online businesses who want to pay online, right? And with the Payoneer card, you also get uh, payback rewards up to 1%. The next feature is manage currencies. Now you have a Payoneer balance of $10,000. You want to convert money from dollars to pounds. You can convert the funds within your Payoneer account in different currencies. For example, if you want to convert $10,000 into euros, you can do it right in your Payoneer account. We call this feature as manage currencies. Comparing Payoneer with bunch of other payment companies, Payoneer offers you a larger number of virtual accounts, a lower currency conversion rate. We also offer you a wire account. We also offer virtual credit cards. We have a far robust banking infrastructure. All of you are concerned about working with a payments partner which is strong, which is reliable, and which is secure. Payoneer offers you all these three things in your banking infrastructure. Apart from this, Payoneer offers integrations with business application, time tracking platforms, other tools like Capital Advance, etc., and everything to grow. What our vision and our goal is to create an ecosystem which is which induces growth for all of you and helps you grow and take your gaming business to the next level. I will talk about a case study of one of our clients. I've known them for a few years now. Uh, AppNap is basically a game development company. They basically do a lot of Apple apps in productivity, gaming, and different segments. They started like 2 years, 2.5 years back now, and they have been using Payoneer from day one. They launched their first game in 2019. In 2020, they linked one of their Apple accounts with Payoneer. All the Apple payments were coming in their Payoneer account. They opened more Apple accounts and more Google accounts. They connected all the Apple accounts with Payoneer. In 2021, we launched the Payoneer virtual cards. They started using the Payoneer virtual cards to run their search ads, Google ads, and Facebook ad. And now they're also using Payoneer to get their payments from direct clients. They make games for somebody in the UK, and that person transfers some funds using Payoneer. So if you look at it from the day he started his business to the day where he is, he's a six-figure studio right now. We have been there as their growth partners. So we really care about your growth, and we are developing products by hearing and by learning from our voice of customer and learning from all of you of how we can make our platform much better. So we want to be a partner of your growth journey, and we want to be with you from 0 to 100. So global infrastructure, we are a highly compliant company. We have MSCB license in the US. We are registered in the EU and across the region. So there are a bunch of questions that people ask. I'll cover the most common ones upfront. The first one is, I have multiple Apple and Google accounts. How can I receive payouts in Payoneer? With Payoneer, you can issue multiple USD Euro account numbers. You just have to update those accounts on Apple and Google, and all your payments will be transferred in your Payoneer account. Second question that we get usually is, how many virtual accounts do I get with Payoneer? N number of virtual accounts. You have 100 apps. You have 100 Apple accounts, Google accounts, Amazon accounts, any accounts. We can issue you 100 account numbers. Can Payoneer offer better currency conversion rates? Yes, we can offer you very good currency conversion rates. You can get in touch with us directly, and we will be happy to offer you a much better negotiated rates. And the more you sell, the more you receive, the better you get with Payoneer. Some people who have a US company also have a US bank. How is Payoneer better than a US bank? So Payoneer offers you much more than a traditional bank account. You are getting virtual cards. You are getting ability to get multiple account numbers. So with a US bank, you're only getting one single account number, but the Payoneer account is giving you an option to add multiple account numbers. Plus, you are also getting a wire account number. Plus, you are also getting an infrastructure, partner network, and a payment partner who will help you grow. So you are not looking at a payment solution. You are looking at a companion who will help you grow. The next question is, do Payoneer virtual cards work with Facebook ads? Yes, they work seamlessly with Facebook, Google, Apple search ads. Can I order multiple virtual cards? Yes, you can order multiple virtual cards for each of your accounts. And the last question is, I want to make a payment to a partner overseas with Payoneer. Yes, you can use the Payoneer balance to make a transfer to your partner anywhere in the world. So these are some of the top questions that we get. We have a very special offer for all the attendees. I am trying to reach out to you through the Hyper Games platform. You can reach out to me on LinkedIn. I'll be right there. If you just type my name, Kavishan Payoneer, you can connect with me over LinkedIn directly. And in case you want to directly sign up with Payoneer, here is a link to sign up with Payoneer. I'll also publish the link on the platform, on the Pine platform, and you can create a Payoneer account, and we will help you onboard, connect to your stores, help you understand how you can use Payoneer account to get international payments. Registration process is very simple. Once you click on the sign up link, you have to either select individual or company and sign up as whatever your requirement is. If you have a US company, but you don't have a US bank account, you can still create a Payoneer account with your US company and adding your local bank account number wherever you are based out of. Okay, so that's pretty much from my side. It has been very nice interacting with all of you, and I'm very, very confident that Payoneer will add a lot of value to the gaming industry, to all the studios who are out there hearing me right now. And if you have any questions, if you want to get started, if you want to do a Zoom call with me one to one, please send me an invite on LinkedIn, and I'll be happy to connect. Thank you.